As you can see, this is doing absolutely nothing. The flame's on, but nah, I need a regular butane torch. This will not work. I'm probably better off painting it black and just leaving it in the sun. Hey, it actually worked. I don't know if it would have been as easy if I didn't heat it, but right at the end of me bending this part, you can see a little crinkle. I think that's the technical term. Actually, it was cut earlier by the chop saw. So I'm gonna have to fill that in, but at least the back spokes, or whatever the hell you want to call them, are at the right angle. Yeah, that couldn't be more perfect. Shocks, by the way, were part of the part of baby carriage, the stroller. So this just slides right on top. It looks like I'm gonna be using and this thing pulled off the toy Jeep. Problem is this spins freely, so I'll wind up having to fix this like this, and then making sure this can't spin or it won't drive. So I gotta figure out how they do it. This is what I've got. I sanded down this part using that little wire brush. The thing's been sitting around the house for 30 years, literally 30 some odd years. So anyway, it's an excellent metal sander. So I sanded down just the center, the main beam. So this is where I'm at. Next, I got to figure out steering and propulsion. I think it's obviously going to be pedal power or motor power, but I don't know if I'm going to throw on a set of pedals or not, or just strictly motorized. I don't think I'm going to do both.